In this video, this is from a seed outside, transplanted inside. I'm beginning to wonder what type of daisy, if it's a black-eyed Susie. Go from the base. As it's drying out, some of the leaves are not taking. As we go up, new leaf, and you can see the buds of the daisies. I thought they were marigolds, and you can see how they are flowering. Go to the other one next to the other plant. These flowers has opened up, and go to one more flower. I hope you enjoyed this update. We'll continue to update you on this plant and see if they will become black-eyed Susies. We'll clean this up, trim this up, make sure it's got enough water and sunlight. This is November's update. Look for December's update to come.